Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be another mystery box from Miss Erin Weaver, my niece. A long time ago, me and her made each other mystery boxes, and you guys were like obsessed with those videos. And I don't know why we haven't made each other another one since then, but basically we have an allotted budget and we go shopping for each other. So the fun part about this video is I made her one for her channel, which I will have her unboxing her mystery box. Last time she put gags and goops in my mystery box. It got me good, so I'm gonna be on the lookout for that this time. But I'm really excited to open it because Erin's really good at gift giving. So we'll see what she got me in the box. Also, a portion of today's video is sponsored by Magic Spoon, and we are going to be talking about that in just a second. But let's go ahead and bring in the mystery box. Erin? Oh! How can I ever get rid of this box now? Oh my god.
These few stickers are covering up the address.
Did we not have a bar? I love the creativity. This is so Erin. A llama. Am I the llama?
You can be.
I love it. Is it Friday yet? I'm obsessed. I haven't even made my box. I gotta amp it up.
Oh wow. Up your game.
My box is so sad. I gotta run to the store and get some stuff together. Erin has 10 up me on her box already. This is so freaking cute. I can't wait to see what's inside. So let's talk about Magic Spoon really quickly before we jump into the mystery box. So if you guys don't know what it is, Magic Spoon is reinvented your favorite childhood cereal, but it has 0 sugar, guys, as 4 net carbs and 13 to 14 grams of protein in each bowl of cereal. So this one is one of my favorites right here. This is the cocoa. I personally like any cocoa cereal, so I was really excited whenever I saw this. They have all kinds of different flavors. Like I said, cocoa is my favorite. They also have fruity, and they have peanut butter, and they also have frosted. This is the frosted one. But yeah, basically it's like eating cereal guilt-free. Sometimes I don't choose to eat cereal in the morning because of how much sugar it has, and these have no sugar in them, so it's just like perfect. These are super, super yummy. A lot of cereals with 0 sugars in them, honestly, to me, don't taste that great, but Magic Spoon's really reinvented it and made it fun, and they've made them actually taste good. They're also keto friendly, they're gluten-free, they're grain-free, they're soy-free, they're free of GMOs. So a really easygoing, yummy cereal I recommend it to you guys. Magic Spoon is so confident in their product. If you don't like your Magic Spoon cereal for any reason, they will guarantee you a refund for your product. But they're not getting mine back because I think it's yummy. Be sure and use code LauraLee at checkout for $5 off your Magic Spoon order. I will have the link in the description boxes down below along with my discount code. Be sure and check it out, honey. Now we can jump into the mystery box. This honestly is the prettiest mystery box I've ever gotten. I feel very special right now. That was so much fun. What is in here? First, there's this big pink box, so I just want to pull it out. A new friend to help us clean. Girl said us instead of you. She's been helping me clean a lot more lately, which I really appreciate. This is a robotic 3-in-1. Vacuum cleaner air stickers on it. This says vroom. Ooh, this is so cute. I accidentally just turned it on. Oh my god, this is so cool. Wow, so look, you just pop your spinners on. How fascinating. Push to lock. Oh, okay. And then power. She got me a mini Roomba. This is so cute. So I'm gonna set her down and let her do her thing. I think it's hardwood only, guys. It ate my cord. Oh my god. Oh my god, it stopped. Okay, you know what? We're having some technical difficulties. I will come back to this. What? Y'all, it keeps turning on. I cannot. That thing has a mind of its own. I'm kind of scared. Okay, next product. I see this candle. It's called Baltic Amber. Guys, this candle is from Voluspa, and I love their candles. They have tons of different scents. But this one is Baltic Amber, and it's my favorite. Voluspa has boo-koodles of candles, and this one is my number 1, and she knows that. I just want to smell this all day. Ugh, I love it. I've had Baltic Amber in my life, a candle, since I was 20. So honestly, you need to get on it. It's so good. So thank you, Erin, for that. Next, okay, she knows. Oh my god, where are my rings today? Look at this. She knows I love gold rings. So it looks like she got me a pack of gold rings. Why is my arm? Oh, the box. Oh my gosh, they're so freaking cute. Ooh, let me see, let me see, let me see. Oh my gosh, I also like that they're different sizes, so they're able to fit on like my fingers, like different fingers. Oh my gosh, these are really freaking cute. I love rings, guys. Okay, well now we have our rings and I feel complete. I even have more left over. Thank you, Erin. That's something I definitely love. Oh my gosh, I love this. She got me these cameras. I love them for taking pictures. But nowadays, unlike when I was young, now it takes like 3 months to get them developed. It takes forever. I remember like I handed one of these to Erin's friends on her birthday like 2 years ago, and she was like, how do I work this? And I was like, this is my sign. I'm getting old, and that's okay. Gotcha. Ah, I love it. Thank you, Erin. We'll have to do a photo shoot. She actually got me 2 of these, so I love that. Then she got me this really cool package here, and it says open, and she's got it all decorated, so I'm really curious what's inside. Erin. Oh my god. I love this so much. Okay, she used to have this doll, and they're called ugly dolls, and like they're purposely strange and ugly, and she got me one. Look at its teeth. It's so ugly. I love it. So if you guys ever want to get someone like a really cute, fun gift, get them an ugly doll. Look it up. They're normally like on Amazon or somewhere. I think they're called ugly dolls. And there's so many different ones, and they're all extremely unique, but all extremely weird and ugly looking. And I love it. I'm going to give this as a baby gift to somebody. This is so cute. I love it, Erin. Oh my god. That's why she wrapped it up. She didn't want me to see it. Next up, oh my gosh, she got me a mini karaoke microphone. Karaoke nights. Look, she decorated. This is so freaking cute. This is so cute. We're gonna open her up. Okay, what do I do? How do I work this? Let me call Ty. We have a technical problem. Hello. You were 100% right. You were 100% right.
Here, look. This is what we'll do. We'll go record the cat.
Okay, we'll record the cats, and I'll since it's like ASMR, like you can't like be going crazy. Hey Yoshi, I'll record the cats with it, and then I'll insert some footage now. Moving right along. Okay, we have these. For my hot Cheeto lover. What is in here? Okay. Ooh, there's 2 things. I have to get them both out. Okay, what's that? Bring me hot Cheetos. Thank you, Erin. This is what I needed so bad in my life. Like if I've ever felt like something was missing, it was socks. It said, bring me hot Cheetos. So perfect. Love those. Did both of them say that? I think she got me 2 pairs of socks. So I have backups. There's a card in here. Open first date surprise. Aw. For being the greatest aunt. Look how cute it's decorated. Oh, Yoshi, don't you get in that candle. Oh my god. So she got me a card. Okay, it says just a little something to say thank you. So that glitter just flew all over the place. It's all over me. Yoshi, do not get in that. I'm sorry. I can't. Don't touch the candle. She wants to. Look at her looking at it. You're so pretty. Yeah. Erin just tried to sabotage me. I mean, she kind of did. There's like literally glitter all over the desk. Great. Love that for me. Okay, let's move on. looks like she got me a clothing item. Wow, okay. Just gonna get the glitter off. It's all over me. Okay, looks like she got me a cute nude top. She knows I love pieces like this. I love basic ribbed nude tanks like this. I'll wear them alone. I'll wear them under flannels or just under any shirt. Like pieces like this are my favorite. Probably steal it from me because she likes pieces like this too, but love this. I think it's really cute. Thank you, Erin. Okay, and lastly, can you see the glitter? Oh my God. It's so much glitter, I can't stand it. Oh my God. It says Uno, but with Rick and Morty. Okay, so we're really big Uno fans. I'm gonna put this down. We are really big Uno fans in my house. And what you doing? Look at her. Y'all, she's standing in the spotlight. She's literally blinding herself. Georgini, what's it doing? Is the light in your pretty eyes, Mommy? Girl, just standing in the light, blinding herself. I don't know what she's doing. Okay, I have to open these, you guys. I have to see. I almost sliced my finger off. Oh my God, I'm bleeding. How did that happen so seamlessly? Did you guys see how quick I cut my finger? Love that. Okay, so these are so cute. So we're also big Rick and Morty fans. We've seen every episode. Look at my hands. Like this. And let's see. Oh my gosh, Rick and Morty Uno. Oh, they're flying out everywhere. This is really cute. I wonder if you had to reread the directions or the cards mean different things, but I'm really excited to play this. So this box was super, super, super cute. Thank you so much, Erin. This was so much fun to open. I think if I had to pick a favorite thing in it, well, it wasn't the card. I'm gonna be vacuuming glitter for the rest of my life. This room from the last mystery box, I think from Manny or for her, I can't remember. Girl, I still have glitter in my rug. But if I had to pick my favorite item in the box, I think it would be the ugly doll. I think it's so freaking cute. Or the rings. I really like the rings to wear, but the ugly doll has a special place in my heart. I think it is absolutely precious. What do you think, Yoshi? You wanna see it? What do you think? Do you like it? No, don't touch that. You like it? Oh, you loving on it? Justy likes it. Imagine if I was just like talking to you guys and she just jumped off and attacked me. That would be hilarious, but she's not the one. Are you, baby? Are you ready to get down? Anywho, so that is it for, oh my gosh, I also forgot all ugly dolls have a button for their butthole. All of them. So just that little detail is so cute to me. Anyways, guys, that is Yoshi. You're distracting the whole, no, let me help you. Oh, okay. So that is it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for being here and watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this little mystery box unboxing from Erin. I thought it was so cute. Don't forget to head over to her channel to check out her mystery box opening. I got her a ton of really fun, I can't wink. Really fun items for her to go through, which hopefully she'll like. And yeah, so that's it for this video. Also, if you guys are interested, don't forget to check out Magic Spoon and use my code LauraLee for $5 off. And that's it. So I love you guys. Thank you guys so much for being here. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to leave a comment and thumbs up this video if you did enjoy. And subscribe before you leave, of course. Subscribe. And I will see all of you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.